What if the most realistic AI videos you've ever seen were about to get even better? Well, mark your calendar, because Seedance 2.5 is officially launching around mid-July. And it's coming to AI Inspo, an all-in-one AI content creation platform where you can generate AI images, videos, and music all in one place. To celebrate the launch, AI Inspo is offering 50% off all Seedance models for a limited time. In the meantime, as we wait for Seedance 2.5, let's explore what AI Inspo already has to offer. The website link is in the description if you'd like to follow along. Once you're in, you can start creating viral content in 3 ways: image to video, text to video, or by using a huge library of ready-made templates. We'll test all 3 using different AI video models to see which works best for different use cases. Alright, let's start with image to video. You'll find a list of ideas right below the main workspace. Let's create a live television sports crowd camera shot, one of the most viral AI video styles right now, so I'll select that preset. The prompt and reference image are automatically loaded for you. If you look closely at the reference image, you'll notice it features a woman sitting in a live television sports crowd. I want to replace that character with my own, so first we'll generate a matching reference image. While a normal profile picture usually works, but creating a dedicated reference image produces much better results. Go to image and select the same sports live preset. Replace the default reference character with your own image. The preset is currently designed for a baseball broadcast. If you're creating a football crowd instead, simply press Ctrl+F, search for baseball, and replace every occurrence with football. Alternatively, you can ask ChatGPT to modify the prompt for you. This updates the broadcast context to better match your scene. For this demonstration, I'll leave it as baseball. Next, choose Nano Banana Pro from the available image models and click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have a custom reference image that perfectly matches the Sports Live preset. Now return to image to video, select the Sports Live preset again, and replace the original reference image with the one you just generated. Before generating the video, make a few small updates to the prompt. Replace woman with man, she with he, and her with his. Since we're using a male reference image, keeping the prompt aligned with the subject helps improve identity consistency, facial accuracy, and overall realism. Next, select the Kling V3 Omni, make sure audio generation is enabled, and click Generate. The first result looks great. Now let's generate the same scene using VO3. The output is almost identical, with only slight differences in motion and facial expressions. Finally, let's try the same prompt with Seedance 2.0. As you can see, all 3 models produce very similar results because they use the same prompt and reference image. The main differences are in motion, facial animation, and overall rendering style. Choose the model that best matches the look you're going for. Let's move on to text to video. We'll use the same prompt, but because this is a text to video workflow, we can't upload a reference image. Instead, I'll make a few adjustments to the prompt. Wherever it mentions a woman, I'll replace it with a black bear supporting the Portugal football team. I'll update every instance in the prompt so the AI understands the exact character and scene we want to generate. Just like image to video, you can choose from all the available AI video models here. I'll select Kling V3 Omni, set the duration to 10 seconds, click Generate, and that's it, your video is ready. If writing prompts isn't your thing, AI Inspo has you covered. Head over to Library, browse templates where you'll find hundreds of ready-made templates for viral edits, UGC ads, product videos, sports content, and much more. Simply pick a template, upload your reference image if needed, and let the AI do the rest. And here's a pro tip: whenever a major event starts trending, whether it's the FIFA World Cup, a championship final, or a viral social media challenge, you don't have to create everything from scratch. Just choose a matching template, customize it with your own character or brand, generate the video, and publish it while the trend is still hot. It's one of the fastest ways to create high-quality content that has the potential to reach a much wider audience. Now this is where things get really interesting. AI Inspo isn't just an image and video generator, it also includes an AI music and song generator. So instead of jumping to another platform like Suno AI, you can create your visuals and soundtrack in one place. Whether you want a cinematic soundtrack, an upbeat pop song, rap, rock, or even background music for your videos, it's all built in. Just enter your idea, choose a style, and let the AI generate it for you. And that's not all. AI Inspo packs in a ton of creative tools for social media creators, marketers, and e-commerce sellers. The goal is simple: keep everything inside one platform so you can spend less time switching tools and more time creating. One thing that genuinely caught my attention was the pricing. AI Inspo costs considerably less than many competing AI platforms, making it a great option for creators who need to generate images or videos consistently without spending a fortune. So if you're looking for an all-in-one AI platform for creating images, videos, music, UGC ads, and viral social media content, AI Inspo is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description if you want to try it for yourself. That's it for today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful AI tool.